Hi everyone, Shan here. Today I'm going to walk you through Conclude, the app that enables you to run, resolve, and conclude all types of incidents from Slack. So in this short demo, I'll show you how to install an incident workflow app, create your first incident from Slack, and then close or conclude the incident. You'll also get a quick tour of the dashboard, which is our web-based UI. So let's go. Okay, once you've installed Conclude into your Slack workspace, you'll want to run your first workflow app. Now for this demo, we're going to install the app in an incidents channel for the company Electric Waves. If you want, you can create a test channel with a specific name, which is something we do recommend. A good tip to remember is that every command starts with /c. So if you get stuck at any point, go ahead and type in /c help, and you'll see a list of popular commands. Next, type in /c app install, and what that will do is bring up a list of our most popular workflow apps. Now we're going to be installing the Incident Management app today. So you can install it in an existing channel or create your own channel here. Today I'm going to install this in the Incidents Test channel. Once we've done that, you'll see on the left-hand side that it's been installed and you've got a few options. You can run an incident immediately, you can share the app with the team, or you can modify the settings. Now, hitting this button will take you to the dashboard, which is something I'll show you a little bit later. So another way to start the app is simply by typing in /c new, and that will bring up a new incident. So we're going to go ahead and enter some details. A customer login failure. You can set the severity option as high today, add some more details, hit submit, and that will open up a brand new dedicated activity channel here on the left-hand side. All our channels are organized with an underscore at the front and a number at the end. So when we enter the channel, you can see there's a few more editing options here. I'm going to go ahead and assign Peter the honor of being the lead on this incident. You can also make other changes. But something I want to show you is a really cool feature, which is our activity or inactivity timer. Basically, this is a feature that allows you to stay on top of incidents. So it sends prompts to a channel if there hasn't been any feedback during a specified period. In this case, I'm going to leave it as every 15 minutes. Now, once you have the information, the incident is ready to be concluded, you can go ahead and hit the button conclude. You can add some more details. Very detailed, and that will archive the channel from the left-hand side. However, this channel has been archived, but the information remains in the Conclude dashboard, which is what we're going to go and check out next. So hit the button Conclude dashboard will take you directly to the dashboard, which is where you can see all of your open and closed incidents. Now, incidents that have a red label and are open will show as red if they are critical or high in their severity settings. So something quite cool is that by clicking the three dots, you can actually reopen incidents, and that will also open in Slack again. And you can also add post-mortem notes. Other things about the dashboard that you need to know is the app settings. So in the app settings for incident, you are going to see a few different options. Here, you can change the app label if you want to organize them in a different way. Roles and responsibilities allows you to set default assignees and let people or select which people you want to be involved in each incident. You have the attribute fields, which can be moved around, and you can also edit these here. The severity settings can be turned on or off from here. Email settings allows people from outside your organization to send emails directly to the channel. If it's connected to Jira, or if you want to connect it to Jira, you have the option to do that here. And if you're a fan of the no-code programming language YAML, then you can also make some updates here. Another thing I would like to mention is you can also install new apps directly from the dashboard as well, and you'll see the same list. Okay, heading back to the dashboard and clicking on Insights is going to give you an overview of all your different incidents. Now, this is a testing environment, so it's not the most data-rich dashboard, but you can basically filter these by week, month, quarterly, and yearly. You'll always see at the top the 12-month trend. So just to give you a quick overview, we have metrics by number of incidents by severity. We have mean time to respond by severity, and mean time to resolve by severity. So I hope that gives you a good overview of the dashboard and all the things that you can do with Conclude, and that you'll be motivated to give it a try yourself.